Okay guys, welcome back. So in this particular video, I'll show you how to become a Sabimentors affiliate, navigate your dashboard and get your affiliate links. Okay, so let's dive right in. So now, for instance, let's say you land yourself on Sabimentors homepage. All right, you can either click on register, because once you have a Sabimentors account, you automatically have an affiliate account. It therefore means that you can use one account to take courses, and you can also use that same account to promote courses as an affiliate, promote courses, products, as the case may be, as time goes on. So let me show you the two methods you can use to become an affiliate. Method one is to click on register. Let me click on this. So click on register. So once you create an account here now, you become an affiliate automatically. So I will show you that. Then secondly, you can also click on this earn money as an affiliate, where you learn about our affiliate program if you don't know by now. So once you click on it, then you can scroll down and click on become an affiliate. So whatever the case may be as time goes on. So once you click on this link now, it will take you to a page like this, where you fill in your details to become an affiliate. So I won't use this method. I'll be using the first method. So now let me fill in my details. My name is here, so I'll use this as a test affiliate, all right, or test account. Okay, test account. So then enter my correct email. Ensure you enter a valid and correct email address. Okay, ensure you enter a valid and correct email address, because this is where you're going to be getting email notifications and all that. Okay, so your password, so enter your password. Okay, then click on register. Click on register. Okay, watch me. So is that working? Okay, so as you can see, we now have an account. Okay, we now have an account. So now right away, you can use this account for several things. All right, you can use your account for several things, but for this, in this video, we are focused on using this account as an affiliate. Okay, so now once you are logged into your account, you can see, once you click here now, you see my affiliate portal. All right, once you click on my affiliate portal now, you will see automatically you are already an affiliate. Okay, now that you're an affiliate, this is how your affiliate portal look like for now. Okay, so once you create your account, you can come here and come to my affiliate portal. Okay, so now this is your affiliate portal. Okay, this is your affiliate portal. So as you can see, everything is showing 0 right now. Okay, so you can come here and fill in your bank account details for payment. Okay, once you click on it, you fill in your bank account details for payment. Okay, now let's assume you want to promote products. All right, so go to marketing, come to product links. All right, so click on it. So now you wait for it to load. As you can see, it has loaded now. All right, so you can also sort by pricing, popularity, or newness. Okay, you can sort by price, high to low. All right. So now, as you can see, based on your current level, this is how much you are going to earn. 11,933 naira for this particular product. All right, we have different products right now. As you can see, there are 21 products here. So now pick any course you want to promote, get your affiliate link like this, click on it, then it appears. So you can copy this your affiliate link and promote it wherever you want to promote. All right, promote it wherever you want to promote. I always advise, don't promote the link directly. All right, you can shorten the link with a website like bit.ly. Create an account with this website and use it to shorten your links. All right, use it to shorten your links. Create an account and use it to shorten your links. So maybe in a future video I'll show you how to do that. All right, so now let me log into my own affiliate portal so you have a better understanding of how it looks like. Okay, so I'll go to my own affiliate account. As you can see, this is my own account and I'm currently a premium affiliate. All right, and I get 40%, but you as a new user you get 30%, which is this amount. But for me now, if I come here, you'll see if I go to sorting now, price high to low, you see my own earnings will be different. As you can see, 15,910 because I'm a premium affiliate. So now it's very simple. Get your links, then start promoting. All right, now you can also promote Sabimentors as a whole. All right, you can come to marketing, come to affiliate links. All right, now once you get this link, once you give anybody this link and they go to Sabimentors with that link like this and they sign up, now they've automatically, if they sign up using this link, they've become a student, one, and they've also become an affiliate. Right, they've become a student and they've also become an affiliate. If they buy a course, you get 30% on the basic rank, and if you are on the premium rank, if they buy a course, you get 40%. Now if they also go ahead to refer people that buys any course, you get 10% from their effort because they are affiliates under you. All right, that is how it works. Now let me go back to my portal so you can see. So I'll go to my genealogy now. If I click here, you will see the affiliates I have under me. Okay, as you can see, this is how it works. So this is just a test account. As you can see, these are 3 people under me now. That is how it works. Now if these guys go ahead to sell any course, I'll get paid from their effort. Okay, that is how it works. Okay guys, I believe this is enough for you. So watch this video over and over again. If you don't understand, feel free to make sure you join the community, the affiliate community. Join and ask your questions there. Okay, so see you in the next video guys. Peace out. I hope this was helpful enough. It's very simple. Sign up on Sabimentors, go to your affiliate portal, come to marketing, click on product links, get your links and start promoting. All right, so maybe I'll create a video to show you how to promote affiliate products. All right, so see you in the next video guys. Peace out.